No, Mara, because
I think
it
they are
doesn't
the
make
best
sense.
friend.
No, best friends.
Like,
Doesn't make
yeah,
sense
but
because
also that, like,
ideally,
even yazi ukuthi bekuwe lento ngiyayazi wena ngikhona ngihleli nawe uyangisho ulimpeleni angithi ukuzwe amadoda engiyuza futhi ubengiyuza lokho ukuthi ngicabangeli because naku ukwazile ukuthi athi mesefika la afike angidamba ngibonganise nabantu vele ngabe ngilimele kakhulu mina ukube sifaka imizwa la kulento at the end of the day ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu even nayo ukuthi ayidaze nkani enze ngalendlela enze ngayo because ngabe mhlambe ngikhala kakhulu kube ungilalile because kuyakhombisa ukuthi shoot at the end of the day ubehleze ezonjani
wenzani wangithuke resi wakhuluma ngahlala naye phansi yabo ngasho ngathi mina mbali lo mfethu angikuthandi ngicela ukuthi singadluli ikona yabo mina ngicela ukuthi ungazi mina hayi mhlambe mina akwenzeke ukuthini mina ngumuntu esilisa nami yezo but mfethu ngicela ukuthi ungi-understand ukuthi mina mengingenza ukuthi nokuthi nawe lento ngekuphele ngisho 2 months nawe because uzobusuna le behavior nami uzobusuna le behavior ukuthi mina nawe senze ukuthi nokunye kanti icontent ayifuni lento mangabe senze icontent nawe ndawonye yabo mina kuningi ke mina mfethu abantu abangithukela bona abakhuluma yabo abantu bangithukela ukuthi uhlukana nombali whatsoever bona abantu futhi laba abebengafoni ukuthi mina ngibe nombali from the start kuthiwa wena awujwana nomuntu nje mina ngamamukela nombali mina umuntu oqala umuntu engamamukela
ukuvezile ngama-support
mina yonke mina boy mina njengoba kutshela mina ukuthi yonke into ngayenza mina mfethu mina angikuvezanga mina kwako wrong ongiphatha kabi kubantu but ngangikhuluma naye xolelwane kube right kube simple lapha ngase ngikhathele mina I was tired yes I was tired so mina ngithi mina ngeke ngenze ngendlela yabantu ukuthi wena ungithanda nobani awungazi ukuthi ngidlula kweni mina awungazi ukuthi mina ngidlula kweni so lokho mina ngidlula kona wena ukuthinti wena uphuka kwengane yakho uphuka kwengane yakho wena oyengane yakho akekho yabo kuyahlukana kuma relationship kuba nezinkinga kuma relationship umuntu othanda na uthola ukuthi mfethu uthanda nomuntu umthanda ngenhliziyo yakho yonke umthanda ngenhliziyo yakho yonke lo muntu lona mfethu uthola ukuthi uyakushaya yeso uyak-abuse mhlawumbe ukushaya ngempama ukwenzani uyak-abuse still usamthanda mfethu ngisho kushaya kwenza yonke into still ngisho kuthiwa wenza izinto ezikuphatha kabe emoyeni still usamthanda uthola ukuthi mfethu ngeke ukwazi ukuthi uqhubeke kube naye ngenxa yokuthi lezi zinto ayisho kwena noma lezi zinto azikhuluma kwena zishaka kabuhlungu enhlizweni yabo ngisho mfethu unaye ngisho unaye mina mfethu ke kwenzeke ukuthi mina nginaye mfethu umbali yabo manje sengiyakhuluma kodwa ngithe mina angizeli uzokhuluma la uthola ukuthi nginaye umbali yabo sengifuna mina ukuthi sishuthe naye yabo angithi futhi mina naye senze content naye but sindawonye futhi sengifuna ukushutha naye ngenxa lamagama lawo mfethu ukuthi mina ngiyamsebenzisa ngiyamuse engikubuza ukuthi mina ngikuyuza kuphi ngenxa lamagama lawa ukuthi mina ngiyamsebenzisa ngiyamuse mina mfethu lamagama ayangishaye ngaphakathi ukuthi mina manginawo mfethu mengabe nginayo umbali angisakwazi ngisho ukuthi mina asishutheni la asenzeni ukuthi la asamenze ukuthi angisekho right emoyeni ngenxa ukuthi kwaphuma legama la kuyena lelo ukuthi mina ngiyamsebenzisa
ngiyamuse manje
yabo manje ngicela ngeke ngikhuluma ngathi kade ufuna ngikhuluma ngithe mina ngizokhuluma lapha manje usizokhuluma
post ama-screenshots naye ngangimtshela ngathi okungcono uma ungasangifuni ngiyeke yena wadecide ukwenzani ukuzoposta la mase ngiya ku-broadcasting ngoba ngifuna ukuthi ngicacisele abantu ukuthi kwenzakalani yena useyahamba futhi uyoqhubeka namanga usesungifaka ey'ndabeni zakho ukuthi mina ngathi wesamuyelo shezi sazokhuluma mntaka baba sazokhuluma nje kululeka nokukhuluma ngiyakwazi umcazi-ke futhi mina yazi uthi ndo futhi nginandaba mina naloku ukuthi
wena ufuna ukubona nosamukelo
uba
ngoba ukhuluma ngayo
mina ngiyangibuyelane nesixhaphaxhapha
yena akaqhubeke noyankompa aloku enkompana namapheta akasephansi
hawu yena nje akahlukane nje negama lami angephansi angiyeke nje yini esemenza uhambe ngifake ey'ndabeni zokuthi washa amathayikhulu angenaphi nje kule ndaba le uya kwi-broadcast yokhuluma ngamathayikhulu ukuthi enzeni uzofaka iy'ndaba zamathayikhulu ngoba nje into ayifunayo ukuthi umbhala abe mubi emhlabeni into ayifunayo ukuthi umbhala azondwa abantu into ayifunayo ukuthi umbhala azondwa abantu bese yena eyathanda abe muhle-ke yena kuthiwa hhayi mina ngithwalanga nje uyena yena nje wafika wabona nje ugelo kwi-spotlight ozomtrendisa ozomdumisa wasezithi as usual into ayenzayo nje
Yinto nje ayenzayo ukuthi yena la ebona khona ispotlight yiko nje ade nimbona nalapha kwi-speed intontene gijima eyohaga indoda eyifenda ingoba yini uyayithanda igqa ukugqama uyakuthanda ukubukwa kanti kuhle nje ukubukwa ngezinto zakho ukugqama uyakuthanda ukubukwa kanti kuhle nje ukubukwa ngezinto zakho eziqondene nawe ungahambi futhi ukubukwa ngabantu Ngafunda ukuhamba ukubuka ngabantu lo ufuna ukuduma ngabantu ufuna ukutrenda ngabantu and this time utrending ngamuntu wrong mina tshela amna ngijwaye nje kabi mefuna nje ukuthi yonke into ithule akathule ungakudaka umbuso phela ungakudaka umbuso ngoba uyakuphela kodwa kusasa konke ngifuna ukuyicacisa ngoba yini kwi broadcast ikhulumile ufake igama lami hama sethula konke ngifuna ukuyicacisa ngoba yena kahle ufuna sicacise indaba esasizikhuluma naye nesasizikhuluma kephi ke ufuna manje kucaca ufuna amaqiniso vele okay come to me baba ungakudaka umbuso ngoba uyaphela ungakudaka umbuso ungakudaka umbuso engathanda ukuthi ngathi udona understand my assignment ungakudaka umbuso Nize ningitshela usamukela kanjalo uthi ungamdaka umbuso ngoba uyaphela. Hayi bangathi nezikepe. Ngoba uyaphela. Ngoba uyaphela. Ungamdaka umbuso ngoba uyaphela kakhulu.
Welcome back with it. It's Chef the Soul TV News. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like this video. Do comment if you have anything to say. This is about Umbali Benayege Usamgero Shays. We know them via so many social media posts that they were doing, and also in the name of e-content if ngimuzwa kahle Usamgero Shays njengoba esho lapha. Ziningi izinto eyisho umbali ezibukeka zi-offensive towards uSamkelo, ziningi futhi izinto ezibukeka zi-offensive eyisho uSamkelo towards umbali. We may never know ukuthi is it still part of the content or what, yabo. But then at the same time we saw labantu njengabantu abade bezwana, abantu akade bephusha bebobabili futhi benza kahle ngendlela abantu akade bebancuma ngayo, only to find out ukuthi akona abantu abakulindele lokhu asebekubona njengamanje. We all know ukuthi kuma relationship in whatever kind of a relationship, but then kuba naleso simo noma leso sigaba othola ukuthi kugcina kuba khona ukungaboni ngasolinye. Kunamagama ayakhulunywa abantu angahlali kahle. This is what we are hearing right now kwi response eyenziwe uyena uSamkelo Shays eyenza towards i-podcast eyake yenziwa uyena umbali. I've included le podcast i-video yakhona njengoba ngifakile la as i-cut ngasekuqaleni, so that's why ngiqale ngama video just to highlight for wena ukuthi nawe ugcine uzenzela wena i-judgment, because that lawo ma-part lawo esiwafakile iwona isibona ukuthi abaluleke kakhulu ukwazi ukulandelela lolu daba. But then kuningi akukhulumayo even namanje umbali, and kuningi akushoyo bafowethu. Mina I'm not a judge, but then you can judge by yourself ukuthi wena ikuphi okubonayo. Some people are saying yeah vele wenze kahle bla 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 ahlukane nalento le embi, and some people are against leyo nto leyo. Uthi uhamamukela khona enjalo umbali, yabo. Izinto kodwa ayikhulumile according to mina. I know ukuthi abanye abantu besifazane they can say lezo zinto if ever becasukile okukhona abakudingayo noma afuna ukuthi kwenzakale kwi relationship ngaleso sikhathi. But then perfect, you can decide on which side you are on, but then the situation doesn't need a side, kodwa idinga ukuthi analyze kahle and then you come up with the conclusion at the same time. But then perfect, ngingageqi magula, you can tell me ukuthi what you think mayelana nale siphithiphithi abasenzayo la. Do you think it's part of indlela mhlambe ebekumele siqale ngayo unyaka besivezela amaqiniso noma amahlazo abo njalo njalo? Nalona lokho eyiveza la kuona ama video bandla shame. Kodwa asikho lapho mfethu, please do subscribe, do comment on the section down below what you think of this situation. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also tell us ukuthi ngempela according to your own opinion Was usamukelo using uMbali ngempela or umsizile ekuthenini afike kulesi sigaba asekusona? Tell us on the comment section down below. Danko.